at the Cove on Cliff Island with some of the students. We have Julian, who are the other two? Olivia,
and little Elwin.
Okay. And it's a glorious day, and they're searching the low waters for aquatic life.
Julian's got about 10 pounds of lobster so far.
We're waiting for the haddock. But what a glorious area to have a built-in classroom, outdoor classroom. You couldn't ask for anything better on this little unique setup we have here on Cliff Island. This is Julian. You will be leaving Cliff Island.
Yeah, I'll be leaving Cliff Island in the fall.
In the fall to go to school on the mainland. So one of the graduates this year. And Julian is going to show me some of the apps, your favorite apps, on the iPad, which is the iPad that the Pioneers, Keller Chapter Pioneers, donated to Cliff Island School last year. And from what I hear, and we'll see obviously on film, how much the children enjoy this and how they use it as a wonderful tool for their learning here. So take it away, Julian.
Alright, so one of my favorites is Brain Pop. So each day they put out a new movie. This one is, this one is the multiple
sclerosis, yep.
And let's see, what are some other ones? Movies. So they replaced the old ones.
And why is this one of your favorites?
I like this one because it it gives you new movies every day. Ooh, and do Mars. So, like, every day it gives you a new movie, and once you do the movie, you can take the quiz of it.
Ah. Okay, Julian has watched the movie, and I have watched also. And now he's going to take the quiz about the planet Mars.
So, the first one, which of the following images correctly represents the relative size of Earth and Mars? For this one, they're equal. This one, Mars is tiny. This one, Earth is smaller. This one looks about right. Or, yep, correct.
All right.
Mars is a bit smaller, about half. In what part of the solar system is Mars located? In the inner solar system, near Sun and Mercury. In the inner solar system, near Earth and the asteroid belt. In the outer solar system, near Saturn and Uranus. It depends on the time of year. Mars is in a regular orbit around the Sun. Let's say B. In the inner solar system, near Earth and the asteroid belt. What can you conclude about the fact that Mars and Earth have roughly 24-hour days? The planets spin on the axis at similar rates. The planets orbit the Sun at similar rates. The planets are equally distant from the Sun. The planets are roughly the same size. And they say they spin at similar rates. Correct.
You're doing very well.
If you were looking for surface water on Mars, where would be the best place to go? On one of the planet's canals, toward the planet's equator, the base of a Martian volcano, or the planet's north or south pole? I'm going to say the last one. Which of these Earth climates is most closely resembles the Martian environment? A temperate zone, a rainforest, the taiga, or the desert? I'm going to say A. Oh, I was incorrect. Desert.
Does it tell you Yeah.
Which of these is a true statement about the Martian atmosphere? It contains more free oxygen than Earth's atmosphere. It contains more carbon dioxide than Earth's atmosphere. It contains more nitrogen than Earth's atmosphere. Or is a similar composition to Earth's atmosphere. I'm going to say it contains more carbon dioxide.
You're doing very well.
What caused early astronomers to believe that Mars may have intelligent life? They saw what they thought were canals and guessed they were filled with water. They saw what looked like a human face on the Martian surface. They saw flashes and explosions on the Martian surface. They made contact with beings who said they're from Mars. I'm going to say A.
Me too. I would choose that.
Which of the following is true about Mars? Scientists aren't sure when and why the Martian climate changed. There is an ocean on Mars during the summer months. Rivers of liquid water flow along the Martian surface. Significant amounts of water vapor exist in the Martian atmosphere. Let's see. Which analogy best describes the Martian moons in relation to Mars? They are like sticks of dynamite. They're like a nuclear reactor. They're like bowling balls, or they're like codfish. I'm gonna say they're like codfish. Last one. Mars gets its red color from the ferrous soil. In the previous sentence, what does ferrous mean? Iron rich. Yeah, I got 90%.
Excellent job. Very good. And it's tough because I'm sitting here too. Yeah. Student here at Cliff Island School.
I'm Olivia Crowley. I'm in 5th grade and I'm 11.
All right. And you're going to show me some of your favorite apps on the iPad. And I will try to zoom back so I can get you mostly in the iPad. Each of the children, enjoys using the iPad immensely. But I thought it'd be kind of fun for us to see what they enjoy most about having this technological asset to their classroom. So take it away. Math bingo. Ooh.
Yeah, it's fun. We each have our own,
Yep.
I click me and I'm going to do the subtraction medium. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and I need to find a 4. There we go.
Okay, so you get a correct answer. Do you get points, or is the poll, are you truly trying to play bingo more so than answer the correct question? Or
It's kind of
hand in
both.
hand? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a cute one.
I don't know if the flip will pick up these creatures from the correct answers are anywhere from spidery to kind of like donuts to happy, smiley people. Very cool. Oh, and it times you?
It does time me, yes.
Is that for the whole game or just for this particular...
This
one?
game that
This
I'm
question?
playing now.
Okay.
Not for the whole.
The
game.
whole... Okay, gotcha.
Okay. Minus 11.
So far, she's gotten everything correct. Student here at Cliff Island School.
I'm Olivia Crowley. I'm in 5th grade and I'm 11.
All right. And you're going to show me some of your favorite apps on the iPad. And I will try to zoom back so I can get you mostly in the iPad. Each of the children, enjoys using the iPad immensely. But I thought it'd be kind of fun for us to see what they enjoy most about having this technological asset to their classroom. So take it away. Math bingo. Ooh.
Yeah, it's fun. We each have our own,
Yep.
I click me and I'm going to do the subtraction medium. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and I need to find a 4. There we go.
So, my name is Ellen Bernard, and I'm in 2nd grade, and I'm going to show you some of the 2 of my favorite apps on our iPad.
Okay.
First one is Spell Blocks.
Spell
Blocks.
blocks. Okay.
And
And what is this app about?
so, with a voice, it gives you the word.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have to drag the right blocks
Okay.
into these places where they should go.
Okay.
And then
So are you spelling the word, or are you
Yes.
trying to? Okay. And where's the word?
It's fine. The sound isn't turned up yet.
Oh, it's supposed to talk to us? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't ask me. I don't know how to do it, so.
Let's see. How do you
How do
turn
you-
the volume up?
The little thing on this.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Spell the word about.
So we'll give you a word, and then
A.
you can set it so it gives you extra letters, so you have to figure it out from there.
B. O. U. T.
Whoa, fireworks. Hi, we're inside the Cliff Island School. I'm in the library area. As you can see, they are avid readers here. Many, many books. There's a little old school desk near the window. And the children enjoy reading. They enjoy finding out facts about different things in nature and just about everything. They're the very inquisitive young group. So I'm just walking around the school. It's a one-room schoolhouse. As you can tell, they have little desks over here, little workstations, an area for science projects, a little small kitchen, several whiteboards, a blackboard, a projection, screen. I think that was donated by, I think Josh, Mr. Holloway, actually applied for a grant for that, so very good for him. This is the vocabulary wall, which last year I was amazed to find these young people with such an avid and expanded vocabulary than the normal young people that you run in day in and day out. Just panning the room. Outside, the children are waiting their turn to come in and talk. And recess will be in 15 minutes. And we'll go out, and I'll sit on the bench, and the kids will play for a little bit, release some energy from all their hard work. And as you can see, it's very quaint. It's a wonderful environment to learn. The children get along very well together. There's not a lot of them, certainly, but it's very refreshing and rewarding to see how that all works. This is the outside of the school. I'm on a little dirt road that meanders around the island. The island is horseshoe-shaped, very unique. Here are some students. This is recess time, and they're playing a game with Mr. Hollowell. But it is, as you can tell, a one-room schoolhouse back in the day. And I hope I'm doing this justice by videotaping this. The kids have a lot of space to run around. There's a little basketball court out back here. They're playing on the other side of the school in a small playground that I believe was built by parents and other people who live here on Cliff Island. Island living is different. It's a true sense of community and helping one another. If something happens and you need a hand doing something, you've got 5 people willing to help you, which is kind of cool. And I'm going to go over to the greenhouse to see their experiment. They have a lovely garden, which they started last year. And we'll take a quick look at that. I'm outside the garden here at Cliff Island School. This is quite the garden that the children and Mr. Holloway, his wife Heidi, who's the teacher aide, and other islanders have put together here. I believe Mr. Holloway got the small greenhouse via another grant he applied for last year. You can tell that they take great pride in their harvesting. I can see lettuce, beets, and other vegetables coming along rather nicely. So this is quite a nifty thing that they have decided to put here. The children can harvest anything from vegetables to, I believe they're going to have pumpkins, as they did last year, which is very cool. And I've been told, which makes me happy, I'm going to go home with some salad fixings. So that will be a lovely parting gift. And I don't know if you can see, in the distance is the playground. Like I said, it's again recess. So they have been running around, playing a game, and obviously quite enjoying themselves immensely. And on a beautiful spring day, who wouldn't want to? So I'm going to venture into the garden to see what I can see. And looking in, I can see, I believe, carrots, beet greens, onions, scallions, and something else I don't really know. But the children will harvest this and take care of it. And I believe other islanders can partake of the different foods that are growing here too. So it's quite a neat project, teaching them how to take care of themselves, be sustainable, which is very important, obviously living so far away from the city, so to speak, out here on the island.